Grandpa went the wrong way. Oh, there's a little shortcut.
Yeah.
Mom, there's a little shortcut.
Don't do that.
Justin,
No.
that's the wrong way.
No.
No,
Fo-
but there's-
Justin, follow the track.
If there... Oh, okay.
Come on, follow the
It
track.
does look like a trail, but
Yeah, you can.
As long as everything's dry, I'm good.
But,
Yeah.
oh,
I think that's where
wet
Mom.
spots!
That.
over that quick.
The wet
Yeah.
stuff that
Right, just right here.
That quick. They were like, oh, let's hike, and they were like,
And
never
Justin
mind.
and my dad is already down there.
Yeah, they were way ahead.
Okay.
I don't know the trail.
Yeah,
signs say
you can do
way.
that, but if you're expert,
Jam, you can go whatever way you want to go.
you're expert.
Yeah, actually, it does look like you're at least in the same slow place. So. Uh-huh.
Just started.
It wasn't total fun. You are trying to get shortcuts, Peter.
Whatever.
Hey, Aaron, you got drinks in your backpack?
Of course.
Okay, well, I was just wondering because if I catch up with you, I'll put my bottle in your bag.
Thank you.
Good luck catching.
But I'll never catch it.
Grandpa, come on. I'm all the way down here.
Yeah.
I'll be keep on walking. You won't be able to see me after.
Keep on walking.
You're resting, Dad.
I beat you with this bus. I can wait now. There's not another one.
Be careful. Justin!
I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Oh no. Justin! Wait for us!
I'm all the way down here and you have to catch up.
You're going so fast!
Just like Papa Lolo.
A what? Justin! You're really going so fast. Just like Papa Lolo, you said?
I'm like Papa Lolo.
Yeah, Papa Lolo walks so fast, huh?
Yeah.
Wait for us!
I'm gonna keep on rushing. And I'm not cheating, Mom. I'm using the trail. Remember I told you if I go downhill, I'm so fast.
Look at that kid!
Grandpa needs some exercise so she doesn't not fat after this.
Justin! Wait!